Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a quick video on why I decided to retire my E58. Actually, it was one beautiful evening and I decided to go outside and fly it and enjoy, and then this happened. So this particular drone has been a pain, guys. So I'll just have to put it straight. I just have to tell the way it is. Most people enjoy my channel because I give an honest feedback about my drones, and I do not sugarcoat anything. This drone has been a pain, I repeat again, and most of you who have been following me for a while will note that every time I fly this drone, it has always been a chaotic flight. Either it drifts or it loses its calibration, or you name it. And so today this happened, and I'm a little bit disappointed with this drone, and I do not think it is worth my while fixing it. Probably the motor is dead, it has given up. Yes, you can easily find it online and do a switch, but I feel that I should retire this particular drone. So officially it is retired, and well, it has been a fun one with this drone. I had some fun displeasure with it, if I can say that. So let's keep it positive, guys. This is possibly, I say possibly because you never know the last time you see me fly or attempt to fly this drone. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for inquiring, because I had a couple of people who asked why I have not been doing further reviews on this drone, and this is the reason why. So hopefully this will be my last review. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment below. See you on my next video.